I'm gonna show you an example of a project that was very personal to me and really made me truly love this process even more. So this is my mom. And my mom passed away late 2019, and I wanted to create something that I felt really represented her. So I wanted to also feature, just different times in her life that I remember being full of joy, and then also isolate places and things that brought her joy. And so as you can see through experimenting here, I know that she loved going out in nature. She loved flowers, she loved stargazing, she loved the beach. So you can see that I'm going through and basically kind of experimenting with different types of things that I felt would be fitting to best represent my mom. She loved lighthouses, she loved roosters. She was very religious, so I threw in some lyrics to Amazing Grace in the sky. So you can see how this is just becoming more and more personalized just for her. She loved singing. I did these little illustrative halos above her head to represent, she's now her angel self. And then I wanted to throw these images of her to kind of represent just beautiful times in her life that I saw her with laughter and joy. So while this